Hello, this is my ads I made earlier and I will explain it. Um, my ads, it's all about Father's Day promo, and this is ano engagement. I I on the A/B test to test what is the effective the test A or test B. Um, let's go to the let's go to here. And my ad set name is Father. And the conversion location is the messaging app. Um, Here, this is my Messenger and Instagram. I off the WhatsApp because I don't have a WhatsApp, and my budget is 300,000, and I select the lifetime budget, and I set the time when ads is running. Mm, the location is in the Australia, and audience is father. And okay, age. No, dads is all about father, so I put 32 to 65. Men, father, father, fatherhood. Okay. Single parent, I single father. No, father, being a father, father, and save, and let's go to the, and this is my ads. Automated chat. Then I will draft, um, quick draft. That's all. Thank you.